clearly defining your goals. So many people have very vague goals. They have no idea where they're going. They don't have a target they're trying to hit. And without a target you're trying to hit, how are you going to hit anything? You're literally just going blindly into your career, hoping to make money. Maybe you'll make money, maybe you won't. You want to be successful. So if you guys are trying to lose weight and your goal is to lose a few pounds, how are you measuring that? A few pounds, you lost 2 pounds, good, you're done. But you have to be specific on what you want. And 10 pounds by August 2nd, like get very specific. One of the analogies I like to use with people is this. What if I told you my friend James over here, the producer of the show, is going to meet you in Manhattan at Dave's Steakhouse. He's going to give you $10 million. Legal money, nothing illegal about it, no dirty money. He's going to give you $10 million. What's the one crucial piece of information you're going to need in order to get that money? He's going to meet you there on Friday at 5 o'clock. If you're late, you don't get the money. There's 5 Dave's Steakhouses, by the way. You're going to want to know the address of the steakhouse, of the location you're going to pick the money up. If you don't have that address, that exact location, how are you going to get the money? How are you going to put that in your navigation to get there? Would you just put in Manhattan? And just get to Manhattan and be like, all right, cool. Here I'm at. Where's this kid James with my money? No, it's too vague. So what begins to happen is when you set targets, or you don't set targets for yourself, you don't have a clear goal. So you don't know what you're trying to do to attain it, but then you can't measure your progress throughout the way. So one of the things that I did, because I went from 400 a week to literally 4,000 a week in less than 6 months doing hair behind the chair, was I gave myself bite-sized goals. So my first target was 500 a week, then went to 750. When I hit that, I went to 1,000. When I got to 1,000, I hit 1,250. When I got to 1,250, I went to 1,500. And then I was like, holy shit, this is real. This is possible. But I also knew the actionable steps I had to take in order to get from 1,500 to 2,000. Then I kind of dissected how many clients I needed to do to get to 2,500 and then the 3,000. But the most important part about anything you're doing when it comes to success is having your goals clearly defined. Without clear goals, you're going to be going nowhere. So you need to be put into the direction that you're going to and then just go headfirst into that direction. Now, here's the beautiful part about having a goal. The example I said before about going to Manhattan is when there's a detour, there's an obstacle in life, there's traffic, you can work your way around the obstacle and you could find a new way to get to your goal. Right? There's no clear path to success. That's just a facade. That's not ever going to happen on any level of success. However, if you have your target clearly defined, then no matter what happens in life, you will find a way around an obstacle, over an obstacle, or through an obstacle. And if you get off course, you just hit recenter and your little navigation brings you right back on course again. A lot of you guys are stressed right now. And I have to tell you, the stress is mainly because you don't have clear goals outlined. And if you had clear goals outlined, you would know how far you are from achieving that goal. But because you don't have a clear goal set, you have this anxiety because you don't know where you're going. You don't know how long it's going to take for you to get there. And you don't even know what you're trying to achieve. So you have nothing to measure it against. So first key, it is clearly defining your goals.